Let's turn empty toilet rolls into gift boxes. For this activity, you will need empty toilet rolls. I'm going to use 2, some glue and coloring pens, as well as gift ribbon. We're going to make 2 different kinds of gift boxes. For this activity, I also recommend pegs, wood glue, as well as a paper towel or newspaper to work on top of. Let's start making this one. Press the one edge of the empty toilet roll flat. I used a washing line peg to measure the distance from the top to where I would like to fold it. By making these fold lines, when we fold it, it will be easier to fold. Now it's time to fold. So simply fold it over in the one direction as well as in the other direction. Now it's time to fold the other side. Remember to fold it in the opposite direction. Once you have completed the folds on both sides, we are going to glue those sides together. Apply glue to the inside where you folded. Then press the sides together and use a peg to keep it together while the glue dries. Remember to add whatever you would like to give as a gift before you close the other side. Once you have added your item, you can glue the other side together as well. You will have to wait a while for the glue to dry. Once it is dried, you can then decorate your gift box in any way you would like. I have added polka dots to mine. For the second one, we are going to take the empty toilet roll and press it flat, completely flat. For this gift box, you need to create fold lines that look like this. And in order to do this, I just create a little indent in the middle on either side to help make that fold when I press it in a little easier. Now you can simply push down in the middle and it will create that fold in that shape that we wanted. This activity is a cool way to reuse empty toilet rolls instead of throwing them away. So well done on being an Earth hero. You can glue the sides together, or you can use a gift ribbon like I have to close the box. You can also decorate the box with your coloring pens as you wish. Have fun! You can also create an advent or countdown calendar to a special event or occasion using these gift boxes.